Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a first order discount, which can be a percentage one and it's capped at a fixed price. For example, you create a welcome discount like welcome discount 20 percentage up to some particular amount only for new customers. So for this, we're using the app called Next Discounts from the Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link of this app in the description of this video. So after installing the app, you will be on the home page of this app. So click on create new discount. So then give a discount code or automatic discount. So I already created one discount, but for showing welcome 20, this can be the discount code, right? And you can give a percentage one, 20 percentage capped amount. So people maximum will get 200. Minimum can be the 20 percentage of their order total, right? About 20% of that 200, it's they will not get. That's how discount work. So discounts applied for all products or specific product or specific collection that can be done. If you need any minimum purchase amount, you can set that one also. So after this is the main thing, customer eligibility. They need to set on customers hashtag or only on their first order. So we need to set this discount as a first order discount. So click on only on first order and only one time use for that particular customer and save the changes. So I already made one of the discount, so that's the reason I am not saving it. So this is the discount, I already made it. So you can see this one, this is the welcome discount code 20% up to 200 and only on their first order, right? So now we're going to test it, how it's working. So I'm going to test it and check out. So this is a customer who don't have any orders in our dashboard. So I'm just checking that. So searching for that customer with 0 orders, right? And now I'm giving a customer, and you can see the discount is welcome 20, and maximum they are getting us 200. So if you check the 20% of this amount, that's about 200, right? So, but they'll get only 200 maximum. But I'll show you one interesting part. Any customer who has any orders previously, then the discount will not be applied. So if I check this particular customer on my Shopify admin panel in the customer section, so you can see there are 2 orders already there. Okay. So this is how they can be applied only on their first order, and you can also give them a discount with a capped amount at the rate, right? For first time discount, first time order or welcome discount, a capped amount will help you to get more profitability if they are buying for a higher amount. Okay. So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.